La ilaha illallah, la ilaha illallah, la ilaha illallah, la ilaha illallah. I can't explain the world we in. I look around and see all things beautiful, no mistakes, He won't let us down. He's the one that can create all from nothing to something. So let us pray and let us thank Him for each day. La ilaha illallah, la ilaha illallah, la ilaha illallah, la ilaha illallah. He gives the joy, He takes the pain, He makes it happen, the sun and rain. Feel the wind through the night, He is by your side. You're not alone, don't be afraid, He will guide you to His fate. So let us pray, let us thank Him for each day. La ilaha illallah, la ilaha.
Let's put all the pens in here. Put all the pens in here. There's some over there as well, behind you as well. Tidy up, good girl. I'm going to put the zip on. What we're doing now.
Play-Doh! Slime cake!
Ah.
Blue. Mommy, I want blue.
But the flowers are not blue.
Yeah,
Why don't you do the green leaves and the stem?
yeah, but I'm gonna do stem blue. I'm gonna do the pot blue.
Okay, go on, let me see.
I can't do it.
Okay, try a different colour first.
I'm gonna do the pink color.
Go on. All right. Well,
How do I mix in the red?
okay, sit down. Look at this picture. You have to look at this picture. Look. This is the picture that we have to copy.
We need this bit first. Pick up it.
Oh, look, maybe the picture's at the back. Look, this is what we have to copy. Yeah.
Mummy,
Then you meant to put some glue or something. I don't know, but we haven't got the glue anymore.
we don't need glue.
We don't have the glue anymore. Okay, so what do we need first?
We
This
need
is from...
this piece first.
Okay, and then you need the rest of her. Oh no, missing piece.
Oh no, missing piece. Yes,
On your turn.
I'm not going to take it off.
No, you're doing a good job. All your colours there. At least you kind of done it on your toes, not on your foot. Lovely.